One of the common cosmetic problems on Golf Mark 4 is that the handle trims start to look very shabby. The surface coating starts to wear, which doesn't look great. Fortunately, VW still have available from certain dealers replacements. So the part number for this is shown here. So 3B2 867172E, which is the driver's side on a right-hand drive car. Very straightforward to remove. So first of all, you unclip this part, which is on the inside, and then literally lifts out, and you just need to unscrew the connector for the electric windows and then replace.